Hey everybody, Troy here, and if you are either looking for a reliable and consistent way to make money online, or you currently have a home business, you're involved in online marketing, you're going to want to pay very, very close attention to this video. When this video is over, if it makes sense to you, be sure to like, drop me a comment. I do respond, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I know a lot of times people want to see that something is working. They want to see results. As they say, documentation beats conversation. I want to share with you what Simple Commissions and their Mailbot product has been able to do for me. So give me your full undivided attention and let's dig right in. I'm not sure when it is that you're watching this video, but these are my results in the last 4 days. Income disclaimer: there are no guarantees of earnings in any business, in any opportunity online. Your results are based on your own personal efforts and your work ethic. But I do want to share with you what is actually possible. Again, this is just in the last 4 days. As you can see, my name here, Troy Miner. This payment came in for $200. This came into my Stripe account. You can see the date here, August 5th. You can see the time. Here's another payment that came in to my Cash App. My name, same day, later on in the afternoon. This was for $50. Here's another one that came in for $100, Cash App, same day, 4:30 in the afternoon. All right, this one came in the next day, August 6th, to my Cash App. You see the name there, $150. Here's another $100 payment that came in August 6th, Cash App. This was yesterday. This came into my Stripe account August 7th, $150. Again, there's my name. And this payment came in as well August 7th. This person didn't have Cash App or Stripe. They sent me $150 through Chime. And the good thing about this program is that you could pretty much set up how you want to get paid multiple different ways. It's all in here. And this came in today, August 8th, $150 into my Stripe. This is around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And then not even a half an hour later, here was another $150 into my Stripe. Look, I'm averaging $300 a day now with Mailbot. 4 days total, $1,200. Again, if you're a worker, you're not afraid to roll up your sleeves and put in some activity. Anybody can get these results. I guarantee you there's really nothing different that I'm doing that anyone else cannot do. So let's talk about Mailbot. Simple Commissions is the business. Mailbot is the actual product. And other than the income, one thing that I absolutely love about this is a significant time saver. You don't have to spend 20 or 30 minutes a day trying to craft the perfect email to send out to your list. Taking time looking for the perfect pictures, taking time looking for the best videos. This is a highly, highly intuitive system. And what I love about this, when I first tested this thing out, I wanted to make sure that it worked. I do this for a living, the whole online marketing thing. And before I started promoting it, I sent my sponsors Mailbot a demo. A request for info, and I interacted with it. I asked it a few questions. The responses came back within usually about 40 to 45 seconds. And what sold me was that every single one of those responses actually came into my inbox, right? None of the replies ended up in my spam or junk folder. And I used a secondary Gmail account, just to make sure that this thing was working. And this is an AI email assistant that pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers. It can promote up to 3 different businesses based on your instructions. So you tell it what it is that you want to promote. You put in a little brief description of your opportunity, and the system sends out emails on a very consistent basis on your behalf. So you could automate lead follow-ups, sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel. So what you're going to do is you're going to get access and watch this quick 3-minute video. It breaks down more of what Mailbot can do and how it can help you grow your business. And I also encourage you to get your very own free demo. So as soon as this video is over, all you have to do, go to the description underneath the video, send the Mailbot, my Mailbot, a request for info. You'll see how to do that in the description, and then check your emails. Usually in less than a minute, you're going to get a response. If you got some value from this video, again, drop me a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I look forward to working with many of you. And this is a perfect opportunity for those of you that are either looking to make money or you're trying to take your business or businesses to the next level. Thanks so much for watching. Once again, it's Troy. Have a great one. Bye.